How's it going, folks? We're back. Episode 17. Vlogs are rolling again. We're getting ready for the busiest quarter of business ever, which is super exciting. It means we got new products coming in. We got tons of new products. We got tons of new pallets. We got new people in the office. We have new repairs. We have new parts working on. We have a lot of different things going on. We're also bringing in a lot more repairs in-house to repair for customers, which is allowing a lot more complexity, adding a little complexity, but it's also allowing us to do more things, which is really helpful. That's what we're here for. We want to grow. We want to help as many people as possible. Q4 is busy. We try to prepare this year a couple months in advance before Black Friday, Cyber Monday, before the Christmas time, because that's when the big rush comes. So we're doing a lot of the preparation work now. Our shipping department is preparing all the products to make sure they're ready to dispatch when you need them most. That's really important for us because we want to make sure we have really good fulfillment even during our busiest times. That's something we lacked in the past years, but this year we want to make sure we're on top of it. We want to make sure that we can ship this product out within 24 hours like we do with the rest of our products. We have tons of new pallets coming in. This month alone, we have about 10 pallets coming in. That's new for us. We don't usually get this much volume, but we're getting ready. We're preparing for the busiest quarter of business ever, and we're preparing and we want to succeed. So we're getting tons of inventory. We're going to get it repaired and make sure it's ready for resale so you guys can purchase it at an awesome price and be able to get it on time for your friends and family. New thing we added is this customer service room. As you guys can see, it has this beautiful orange and gray. I love orange and gray, my two favorite colors, and I got to experiment on this room, which is really cool. It's really nice to have a dedicated room for this. That way there's no distractions, there's no loud noises, and we can actually do all our customer service in this room here, and being able to take care of that in one spot is crucial for us. That way our team here can actually have one spot to go to every single day. It's very quiet, it's secluded, and they can serve our customers better. One thing we also do is we introduced a huge new software to our business, which is helping us solve all of our customers' needs quicker and more efficiently. We're taking all of our channels and plugging it into one to make sure that we're just serving every customer in order, no matter where they're hitting us up, through Instagram, through Facebook, through our third-party platforms, through our website, through email, through text, whatever it is. Everything goes into one area, and we're able to do that really nicely in one software now, which is a huge blessing for us, and we're excited about using this and being able to scale with this software. It's been helping us out already, and we can't imagine how much more it's going to help us in the future. So this was really the last piece of our renovation right here, this last room. We've been doing renovation the last 3 years. We actually saw a memory pop up on our Facebook page. You guys can check it out. 3 years ago, 2015 of this month, August. It was not looking what it looks like now. It was really crappy. It was pretty run down. Now we have it at maximum efficiency. We're running it at maximum capacity, and that's exciting because it took 3 years for us to get there. Only 3 years. That's cool. It's fun to finally be done. Frees us up to do other things, and I'm excited to start doing remodeling because that's not my favorite thing to do. Since we implemented our new proprietary software within our website, it's allowing us to serve more customers. We have more customers sending items in, like Apple Watches. We have a lot of Fitbit product coming in, lots of Samsung product coming in. We also have phones, we have data recovery, consoles, headphones, earbuds, lots of new products coming in. And we're excited to help as many customers as we have. It's so nice to get this great feedback that our services are really quick, they're really affordable, they're quick, and they make everyone happy because they're super simple. Making things simple isn't simple. It takes a lot of work, but to the consumer, it's a simple process. It's easy to do, and that's important because we want to make a seamless process from start to finish. No hidden fees, no charges, making it fairly quick and getting it shipped back and forth safely. That's a huge focus of ours, and the fact that customers realize that and understand the value we're bringing to the marketplace, that's huge for us. Some of the new products we added to our inventory are earbuds and new watches. We have new Fitbit models we've been working on, also new brands for earbuds like Jaybird, Jabra, Samsung earbuds, different types of earbuds we haven't worked on a lot before. And it's really nice to add these on because we get to expand what we know and then use that same newfound knowledge onto the existing stuff we work on to make that even better than it is already. It's really fun to do that, and the guys love it. Every single time we get a new palette in, some new product, you can see their eyes light up. They're excited about doing something new. We work on the same thing over and over and over again, and when we do something new, it makes it exciting and awesome. That's important. I want to make sure the guys are excited to do what they want to do. And anytime we bring something new on, it helps do that, helps them get excited. And then it also shows the business that there's so much more for us to do out there. There's so many more markets for us to penetrate into, and we're excited about doing that. There's a lot of new things going on. 3 months passes pretty quick. We have another record quarter, which is really great. It's exciting to see all things happening. We've actually been in a rut with the vlogs. Aaron hasn't been really producing with that, which sucks. It's a big downer, but we do have a lot of YouTube videos coming out. We're really trying to provide as many repair videos as possible. That way people can see how to repair their own product. We're not interested in making money. We're interested in helping people, and anything we can do to do that, that's the most important thing for us at that moment. If we can show you how to repair something at home and you don't have to send it in, that's awesome. We'd rather you fix it at home than send it in to us. But we're gonna give you the knowledge and possibly the parts if you need them to do it. So we've been really focused on that, and that's a big direction for us. We're also working a couple new vendors. We have new companies we're dealing with. We're supplying new companies with new parts. So we have a lot of things going on that are new and awesome, and that's what makes me excited about this company, is there's something new going on. It's never repetitive. There's always something new and crazy and fun going on. We have new people coming in. We have new processes, new products, new things always. And hopefully coming soon is Joe's Coffee too, right next door, about 10 feet from here. We have a place for us to go grab some amazing food and some amazing coffee. And that's gonna be something new for us too, and the whole team's excited about that as well. But overall, it's been a great Q3, even though we didn't make any vlogs. I'm sure we'll have tons of videos talking about it, explaining what we've been working on. But we're ready for Q4, it's the start, and I'm sure as this quarter rolls around, we'll make some more vlogs just to let you guys know that we're still kicking ass, we're still taking names.